What is up, you guys? How we got doing?
Look at this heavenly masterpiece. I got that real energy. Oh my gosh. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, I'm gonna go. Oh shit. You guys, I'm telling you right now, if you don't like everybody smoky moaning, don't watch this video because I don't give a damn if you like it or not. All right? If you don't like everybody smoky moaning, if you don't watch this video's not for you. Oh my gosh. Yo, where's my other chili at? Yo, they gave me one chili. No. Oh, two. Give me two chilies. Sorry. Oh, yeah, look at got spread, ketchup, forks. It's about to go ham, you guys. It's about to go ham. No, I'm about to go ham. I'm about to go ham. Ham face. I'm about to go ham face. All right, you guys. Here we go. Damn, what a function. Maybe my head is so big. That's better. Much better. All right, guys. Here we go. Pray. It's gonna go. Hold on. Let me put this right here because it's about to go crazy right now. I'm about to lift everything. You know what? Screw it. I usually do this for here in case food falls, but if I lift this. Perfect. Yes. All right, guys, let's go ham. If y'all like In-N-Out, In-N-Out is the best, you guys. What should I do? Let's take a bite of the burger first. Oh, you know what? And I have my, you guys remember? I have my root beer here. Hey, root beer. Hey. Here we go.
Chunga.
What? The root beer is the closest to Andy without paying like $6 a case. Yo, I had this in the back of the fridge and it's icy. Oh my god, that's amazing, you guys. Root beer. Who likes root beer? I never been a fan growing up. Until I got older, I'm like, okay, this actually tastes pretty good. So how you guys? You guys like In-N-Out? I wish we had Whataburger. If I had a Whataburger here in California, Whataburger would be one of my biggest videos known. Their jalapeno ranch, and their pepper sauce. Oh. If y'all from Texas, send me some around, please. Or Arizona, or somewhere like around that area. I know that, like, I think Alabama has a Whataburger too, I think. This is super icy. Love it. I love it. I love it. Mmm. So yesterday, on yesterday's video, I asked you guys, what names did you think we named our son? But there were some that were close. There were some that we were going to use, but we didn't. And like the hundreds of the names said, not one of them was one, because his name is unheard of. I've never met anyone with that name, or I've never heard of anyone with that name. So it's very rare. This is making me emotional right now. How good this is. Oh, damn, the icy. It's the best. I'm gonna breathe. So, I have some Wingstop ranch from my Wingstop video that I just did recently. And people always say, why don't you eat your In-N-Out burgers with... I don't, honestly, In-N-Out does not go with ranch. And just smelling it, I'm not even gonna take that risk. Because In-N-Out is just a burger that you can have by itself. It's that good. That good. Mm. 2 double doubles, 3 animal fries is my new order. See the juices, you guys? Alright. So, the closest burger to taste like In-N-Out if you're from the IE, then you know that Baker's drive-thru tastes like In-N-Out. A little bit. Not fully to the T, but that's the closest burger to In-N-Out. Always on the second burger, I always take out the tomatoes. So I ordered a car thing, you guys, like a little car stand. I honestly like sitting in the car filming mukbangs. It's like so much fun being outside, you know? Mm. again. I'm not chewing my food and it's getting stuck. Does anybody know the science of why we hiccup? Oh my gosh. Oh, what the heck? Excuse me. Take a bite. I mean, I didn't give you guys a bite. Juan Tran gives his followers the first bite. I take the first bite. Nice. Whoa, was 3 animal fries too much? Remember last time I was like, you know what, I'm gonna order more animal fries, but now that I'm eating them, I'm like, was this like too much? Was this like my capacity? So, I have a question. Is anyone like me when you gain weight that you just gain it in the face? That's me. I gain it in my face and I get it in my ass. I'm not gonna lie. That's just where I gain my, like if I eat fattening food, like that's just where I gain it. Especially the face, like my face is like blow faced. Like, trust me, and y'all have seen. Y'all have seen, because I, when I can tell, you can tell, and you say something about it. This root beer is good. How is an off-brand generic better? I don't know. Hold on, let me get my body like a little break. What? I've never belched this much. I'm not a burper. You guys know that I always talk about my burps. People like them sometimes. Can you believe that? People like the burps. How many times did I burp? Who is coming? So, I don't know how long you guys have been following me for, but back then, I used to play the emoji game on my videos. So I think I'm gonna bring that back. I don't know how long you guys have been following me for, but if you remember, you are absolute OG, and you need to comment down below so I can shout you out in the next video, because that was like old school Steven Sushi. I got that in